called two. I made Venus. So I'm making Earth now. So first I just need to make a highlight blue, make it about almost the same size as Venus. Okay, that's good. Okay. All the continents. This is Europe. This is Africa. This is Australia. This is Antarctica. Well, usually it's a little like difficult to make continents in the real regular phase. Well, I had a teacher. His name is Mr. New. He loves to paint. He's my art teacher. Making you're done making Mars. I made all the inner planets. So wait, no. I accidentally skipped this sun on Mars.